Bye everyone. Bye-bye.
So how do you feel na talaga na napakaraming nagmamahal sa inyo? Kitang-kita ngayong gabi na sumusuporta.
Pupunta sila na to.
We're very, very thankful sa lahat ng nandito. Sobrang excited kami na mapanood nyo yung pinaghirapan naming film. Sana ma-enjoy nyo. Sana maiyak kayo.
Yes.
Sana ma-in-love kayo.
Yes, of course. When? How does it feel that there are a lot of Filipinos out here that support you, your movie?
I just want to say thank you and please support our film. I think you will like it.
Ayan. And Janelle, ano naman ang aabangan namin? Ano ang kakaiba dito sa moving Under Parallel Skies?
Naku, marami kaming pasabog ni Wen sa movie na to. Kaya, panoorin nyo na lang para malaman nyo yung mga pasabog namin.
Yes, of course. Si Win na talaga namang ang dami rin mga tumatawag sa kanya ng bonggang-bongga.
Yeah, sure. I think this film like got everything, romance, drama, comedy, everything. I think you will enjoy this film. So please support our film. Thank you.
Of course, Miss Janela, invite niyo po sila na talaga namang supportahan ang inyong movie na showing na tomorrow.
Yes, mga kababayan, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Ramdam na ramdam namin yung love. Maraming salamat dahil you made time for us tonight. And sana yung suporta na nararamdaman namin ngayon ay maramdaman din namin bukas pag nag-showing kami sa mga cinema. Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung film.
Of course! Ayan. Ako maraming salamat. And may we now call on our press, yung mga friends din natin from press, media friends, pwede rin natin mag-picture with Win and Janela. Thank you so much, Janela and Win. Ayan, support natin ang kanilang movie. At eto na ang mga friends natin from the press. Ayan.
Good evening, Win and Janela. You have your microphones. Janela, your microphone. Of course, you want to greet our fans and friends here at Cinema 3, Win and Janela.
Hi guys, thank you for being here.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here with us to watch our film. I'm so nervous, I'm stuttering. We hope you enjoy the film. I love you.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kasama natin dito. Again, hindi natin papatagalin when we call on again our producers and our director for one quick photo op, and then we'll proceed.
Tonight, of course, to our fans, Win's fans, Janela Sters, Josh Nella, Jay Nellas, you're all present, and we really appreciate your presence tonight. And of course, most especially to our family, our friends from the industry, and gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa production, and to Direct Sigrid, to Win. Thank you so much. We worked so hard on this film. We've been through so much, and we're finally here. And we hope you all enjoy the film, and we hope that it touches you.
Okay? A quick photo. For everyone, please sit back, relax, at maya-maya lamang mag-umpisa na ang pelikula. Again, ito po ang Under Parallel Skies, showing na po tomorrow, April 17 in cinemas nationwide. On May 1 sa Singapore and May 9 sa Thailand. Of course, starring Win, mentoring and Janela Salvador, directed by Sigrid Bernardo, produced by 28 Square Studios, distributed by Warner Bros. At PH. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga fans na nandito! Ayan, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-share, of course, at i-promote ang pelikula right after niyo pong mapanood ito. Thank you so much sa ating mga bisita sa taas. Ayan, please enjoy. Maraming salamat. Once again, thank you so much to our producer sa lahat ng kasama natin.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa sa pagpunta at pagsuporta po. Ito na naman po ako ngayon. Humihingi po ng tulong sa support po nyo na dito sa bago kong pelikula na Under Parallel Skies. Kung ano po yung suporta nyo sa mga iba kong pelikula, sana rin po masuportahan nyo po ako dito. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa crew po, sa staff and crew na bumubuo nito dahil hindi po ito mabubuo kung wala po yung staff and crew ko. Nandito po sila ngayon, kaway-kaway kayo lahat. Ang BD department, camera department, production department, hindi ko na maisa-isa lahat, pero nandito po sila at malaki po yan. AD department, nandito rin. Ang dami, yan. And producers department, lahat ng department, utility department, drivers department, lahat na po, nandito po kami lahat para po supportahan itong pelikula. Nandito rin po ang nanay ko at saka kapatid ko. Maraming salamat, mga inspirasyon ko sa buhay tita, nandito rin si Tita Lisa, at syempre si Mark Lo.
Manila, I love you!
Hindi lang yun. Ang hirap. Dito tayo sa dito.
See you next week.
Anong date mo yun ulit?